Let's call our function and store it in a variable called sentence. Now we'll give it a name and a message. Now let's console log our sentence and run our code. We can see that the output is as per the definition of our function. To convert this simple function into arrow function, we'll remove the keyword function, add let, add an equals to after our function name, and an equals to and anchor brackets after our parameters. That's it. Our function is converted to an arrow function, and the output is also same. In an arrow function, if we have only one line of code that returns something, we can remove the return keyword and the curly braces, and whatever is written after the arrow and anchor bracket is returned. If there is only one parameter, let's say we'll remove our message. We'll remove our message from the function definition. We can remove the brackets containing the parameters as well. Now we'll remove this message from the return string as well and execute our code. And we can see our output getting printed.